YouTube, we're back with another banging video. So this is a little quick tutorial of how to do how to change the headlight. The turn signal in the 2020.
This is how you change goddamn that view.
The 2020 Dodge Durango. This might go for the GT and Hemi. I don't know about the Hellcat because whatever. But first thing first, we got to take off the air box 10 millimeter right here. Loosen that bolt up. And there's 3 rubber bushings. Hold on. Let's show YouTube these rubber bushings real quick. Anyway, there's 3 rubber bushings. 1, 2, 3, and you just manhandle it. Come on, let's manhandle it. There it is. That might be the hardest part right there.
Yeah.
We gonna
Did that come out? Now it comes out.
What comes off?
This. Since I went this way, it was this right here.
Now we going right there. It's the bottom of the turn signal.
Left side turn signal. Right side. He's the right side.
No. There's a bottom one. You gotta get in there. It is the bottom one. We're gonna unplug it. Hold on. Let's see. This is what you need. Part number. It costs how much?
It costs $9.
I already took the connector off though.
Bro, why you take the connector?
So you should be able to hold that move in your hand.
No, that's fine. That's fine.
Yep.
No? Ain't coming? Or just hot?
That's not hot.
No, from the black piece. From the black piece.
Oh, from the back piece?
The black.
Yeah, but I gotta touch that silver.
Oh. Nope. Don't start it though. Yeah, that's right. That's right. It's turning. We're good.
Is it only 1 or 2?
It's just one. That's it.
All right, so now we put the headlight in and everything. So now we're just gonna put everything back together. So when you put these together, it's gonna snap. You're gonna hear a snap.
We're gonna try to do it like this.
It snaps in.
Green goes in the middle of that seal.
Oh yeah, right here.
That green seals it.
That's it. Is it face up?
Dirty ass air.
Now, hey, don't mind the air filter, y'all. Does it face up, Mike?
Yeah,
Face
face
down.
like
Face
that.
down.
Okay. Face down, guys.
Dirty air filter.
No. Put that on first. And this all snaps. Hold on. Yeah, that's a clip right there.
The back side,
I think it's on the inside of the
right?
face.
So unclip it.
Yeah, I'll real quick. Hold on. Pause. Ready? You get action? 2 clamps. And we're gonna put this back. This back on the. What size you say it was? 10?
Every day, 4 years. I don't know.
Oh, it's work.
You rather the V6 as another car.
Yep, you good, bro.
And y'all, that's how you change the 2020 Dodge Durango Hellcat, you know what I'm saying? Nah. Turn signal though, man, y'all. That's how you change one.